I am so proud of my peppers this year, and I think it's all due to the heat. I started them germinating on a heat mat under a humidity dome. Can't miss this step when you're doing peppers. This is candy cane chocolate peppers, and these are my biggest. Let me show you real quick a tour of all my peppers. Look how dark the Christmas bulb pepper is. Oh my goodness, those are pretty. Let me show you some other dark ones. These are jigsaw peppers. And then over here is another Christmas bulb that's further along. We have tiny little Black Hawk. A couple Black Hawks there. Oh, come back to this. Scarlet variegated pepper. Some really tiny babies, and then I didn't notice these dark ones. Then we'll go past the sea of green, which is so pretty. I'm excited. To this one. Let's turn that around. What are you? Saki. That's fun. All these dark foliage. And then let me show you the ones that are the most furthest along. This one is a candy cane chocolate pepper. I think those are my biggest peppers so far. Yep, for sure. And then this candy cane pepper over here takes second place. And one of these is not like the other. A dahlia! I'm really proud of my peppers this year. And it all is because of that heat mat. The whole time I was like, why can't I grow anything? What is wrong with me? It's the heat mat. Look at my peppadews. Those were just started a week ago. And then under this one, some more peppadews. Happy with my peppers. So the heat mat definitely makes all the difference when it comes to these peppers. I'm so happy.